Adsatech is a proud partner of Precisely, specializing in data management and automation solutions that help streamline and optimize business processes. In this demo, I'm going to walk you through the development process in Precisely Automate Studio. We'll use KS02 Cost Center Change as an example, making a few simple updates to demonstrate the process. Along the way, I'll highlight key concepts and features that make Automate Studio a powerful tool for SAP automation. Let's take a closer look at how it works in action. The first step in the development process is to open Automate Studio and select the type of script we want to create. Right now, we're looking at things from the developer's point of view. I've opened Precisely Automate Studio, and if I go to New, you'll see different script types that can be developed. The most commonly used module, and the one we'll be using today, is the transaction module. This module is used to automate any SAP transaction, T-code. It works by recording what a user does in SAP and converting that into a reusable script. While we're using KS02 today, this process can be applied to any SAP transaction. There are also other modules like Query module, which extracts data from SAP faster and more efficiently. Direct module, which allows advanced scripting with BOPs and RFCs. Fiori and Web GUI modules, which automate SAP's Fiori and HTML-based interfaces. But for now, we'll focus on the transaction module and create a script for KS02 Cost Center Change. The second step in the development process is to record the SAP transaction that we want to automate. To begin, I'll start a new recording. In the transaction field, I'll enter KS02 and click Start Recording. Studio launches SAP, navigates to KS02, and starts recording everything I do. A couple of key things to note. SAP security always applies. I can only record transactions I have access to. Runner users need proper SAP authorization. If they don't have permission for KS02, they won't be able to run the script. Now, I'll go through a sample update, making some changes to a cost center record to create our script. The third step in the development process is to map the recorded SAP fields to an Excel template, which will allow users to enter data in a structured way. Now, we move into Studio's mapping phase, where we define how the script interacts with Excel. In the top half of the screen, we see all the SAP fields that were captured during recording. In the bottom half, we have a blank Excel template where we'll map those fields. Here's how we build the template. I'll drag and drop fields from SAP into Excel columns. Arrange them in a logical order for easy data entry. Set fixed values where needed. For this example, I'll map Column A, Cost Center. Column B, Person Responsible. Column C, Department. Column D, Description. Finally, I need to add a log column. This column stores SAP messages, showing whether an update was successful or failed. It helps users quickly identify errors when running the script. That's it. The template is ready, and now we can test the script. The fourth step in the development process is to run the script and handle any errors that occur during execution. Before publishing, we always test the script with real data. I'll enter a few test records in Excel. To introduce an error, I'll add a department name that's too long, just to see how SAP handles it. Now, I'll save the script and data file and run the script. Let's see what happens. After execution, we see log messages in Excel. Some records updated successfully. One record failed due to an error. The department name was too long. SAP follows a strict rule. If even one field has an error, the entire record is rejected. To fix this, I'll correct the error by shortening the department name. Instead of reprocessing everything, I'll use the Run Only Error Rows option. This will only process the failed records, skipping the ones that were already updated. After running the script again, the error has been fixed and all updates are now successful. Before running the script again, I'll make one more small update. For example, changing the department to Services. This time, I'll turn on the Backup Data option. When enabled, Studio automatically downloads the existing SAP values before making any changes. After running the script, a new sheet appears at the bottom of the workbook, labeled BK with a timestamp. This sheet contains a full backup of the original SAP data. If anything needs to be reversed, we can simply use this backup sheet and rerun the script to restore the previous values. So, that was a quick walkthrough of the development process in Automate Studio. SAP transactions can be automated using Studio's transaction module. Scripts are built through real SAP recordings, ensuring security and compliance. Excel templates can be customized for user-friendly data entry. Error handling allows users to fix and reprocess only failed records. Backup data provides a safeguard, enabling users to restore previous values. This approach saves time, reduces errors, and simplifies SAP data management for both developers and business users. Thank you for watching. If you would like more information, feel free to reach out to us.